Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so this video isn't about to be very long. This is kind of just a recap of what's going on today. For the guys that were tuned in to the live stream, you guys seen that today was a very active day. I decided not to vlog today just because I want to just do some regular stuff. You know, every time I'm out, I don't have to have the cameras with me. And sometimes I just want to be an enthusiast and enjoy, you know, the motorsports and stuff. But you guys can see my face is all sunburned. Your boy is cooked. So we're doing things a little bit different. So this time around, since I wasn't vlogging, I did live stream. There was a lot of people in there. The live was actually pretty active. For those that were in the live, sorry if the live stream was a little bit blurry. We're in the middle of nowhere, so, you know, signal was pretty poopy, but I was surprised at how many people were actually in the live stream. So I have those videos saved. I'm going to be dropping those videos. So a lot of you guys seen that there was a whole bunch of people driving. And a lot of people were like, bruh, when you about to drive? When you going to get in? You going to drive? What's up? Go drive. Get your ass out there. Hit the pit. We want to see you. So upon request, I did go out there. The reason why I wasn't out there driving in the first half of it, because you had drivers that had paid to be at that event. I was there as a guest with full access, so I could have drove all day. But, you know, the courteous thing to do is to let the people that actually paid to be in that event drive. You know, let them get their money's worth. So I was there as 100% as an enthusiast, and I just wanted to see, you know, people driving and just mingling with the people, you know. So for me today wasn't about vlogging at all. That's why I didn't have my camera with me, and all the footage of me driving that you guys are going to be seeing actually came from, you know, people just tagging me and sending it to me on social media. But yeah, with that being said, let me say big thanks to Alex over at Sack Speed Shop, bruh. I really appreciate you for hosting this event. The track takeover stuff, I appreciate what you're doing, man, keeping the sideshow stuff off the street. I know here and there that, you know, it is the culture. It is what it is. Me personally, I don't do the sideshow stuff no more because, you know, I lost a friend, got shot at a sideshow years ago. So that's my personal reason on why I stopped. You guys see I don't really street drift anymore just because, you know, I'm not the same person that I was before. Not in the sense that I don't care about drifting or I don't care about driving. I'm 100% caring about driving. I'm 100% a driver, but due to popularity, I can't get away with the things that I used to do. I couldn't get away with those things now just because of how on the radar I am. Other day I got pulled over in the Corvette and, you know, I flew past CHP doing a pull, flagged me down. I got lit up, pulled me over, and he was like, Mike, what are you doing? I'm like, so they definitely know who I am. That's why I don't really street drift. Granted, CHP dude was hella cool about it and just let me go. I was like, you know, be safe out here. So anywho, like I was saying, big thanks to Alex and all the guys over at Sack Speed Shop, the staff, everybody that put this event on. It was dope. I really did, you know, enjoy myself out there. For all my followers and subscribers and stuff, everybody that was coming up, taking pictures of the car, retagging. Dude, I really, really appreciate y'all. For everybody that was shy and didn't come up and say nothing, don't ever feel like I'm not approachable. Like anytime you see me in public, regardless of where I'm at, you guys can approach me, say what's up. I promise you, you know, love is love. I'm not one of those people that feel like they're too big, that's gonna turn people down or be an asshole. Like, not at all. If you wanna take a picture, you know, just say what's up and we'll take a picture. You wanna chop it up, it's good. You know, at the end of the day, I'm a car enthusiast. I don't look at myself no bigger or no better than anybody else because, you know, I really love this, you know, I really love this lifestyle. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, I went out there for one time and basically was driving this thing for the first time. You guys seen that at my shop, I was doing donuts and stuff in it. For me, once I figure out the balance and the pivot point of a car, it's not that hard to slide. So I was already familiar with how this car pivoted just from doing donuts at my shop. Other than that, I didn't know, or I couldn't gauge how long this car was. So the whole time, and I was getting closer and closer to the walls, I'm like, let me see how far this car is, because I've never set a target to see, you know, exactly how close I can get to this thing. So my whole thing out there, I was like, let me see how close I can get. If I'm getting closer, all right, let's go a little closer this time. Let's get a little closer this time, and we're edging our way towards it. So you guys will see the clips right there. I literally probably, Other than the people that actually hit the wall, I don't think anybody else got as close as I did to the wall, dude. I was literally like that far away from the wall. For the people that was like, bruh, did you crash? Let's open this garage up real quick. But yeah, damn, my car is hella dusty, dude. Super dusty. I don't know who that was, man. I had just washed this thing down and somebody came with a freaking truck and revved it and blew dust all over my car, but whatever. But for the people that was like, did you crash or did you hit anything? Nope, literally millimeters away from the wall, dude. Like insane. Insane. But yeah, no damage, car made it in one piece. This car feels nimble as hell, feels fantastic. I love the way this car set up. Friggin' only thing I didn't like was I run 345s and these tires are expensive as hell. That's why I didn't continue driving. I was like, let me hit it one time, give the people what they want, and then I'm out and letting the drivers drive. Oh yeah, so I wanted to let you guys know that this is basically like an introduction to what's going on. I'm gonna actually upload the live stream videos. That way for the people that wasn't in the live, you guys can actually see what was going on in real time. I think those videos are like 30 minutes a piece. So we're on live for a cool minute. People were talking in the comments and chit-chatting back and forth. So I'm definitely planning on doing more lives for you guys because it seems like a good way to interact. And I kind of like the whole little thing of going back and forth with y'all. So we're gonna start incorporating more lives. Maybe days I'm not vlogging, get some behind the scenes stuff. If I'm doing something that I don't feel is vlog worthy, do that. But again, big thanks to everybody at Saxby Shop. Hold on. Damn it, turn. Bam, there we go. Feel me, my all access pass. And I'm gonna be leaving this on here. This is gonna be like a piece of heritage to me now. Cause this event was fun. We got the track takeover sticker that was on my car, on my hot water heater. But anybody that wants to see the live stream, those videos are gonna be titled Track Takeover probably 1 and Track Takeover 2. And then this is just literally a separate video of me from everybody like saying, oh, you guys wanna drive or won't you drive? You guys, I went to this event with no intentions of driving. I parked my car over at the Saxby Shop booth and I was just chilling. My whole mindset today was just to chill with the people. And then on the live, everybody's like, bro, drive. At the event, everybody's like, bro, we want to see you drive. And then, I don't know, Alex came and flagged me down, was like, you good? You ate? I'm like, yeah, I ate. He's like, all right, you ready to drive? I'm like, he kind of punked me into driving and, made me drive. Other than that, I wasn't planning on driving, but, gave the people what they wanted. Got to test the car out. Got some cool little footage. So everybody that sent me footage and clips, let me say thank y'all again because I wouldn't have made this video and I wouldn't have added these clips if I didn't have y'all. Oh yeah, and shout out to my boy Jose for jumping in the passenger seat and actually getting some in-car footage for your boy. But no further ado, let's get into today, or let's get into a recap of what happened today. And here's the clips. And again, for those that are interested in seeing the whole event, make sure you check out the other videos titled Track Takeover 1 and Track Takeover 2. Let's go. Something like that. Yeah, drive review, whatever. Trying to save tires. 345s. These like 400 a piece.
Look at Clutch already talking shit.
I gotta piss hella bad, bro. Hella bad.
I can't wait to click third in here.
I'm saving tires. You think I'm playing?
Okay, Mike did that. That nigga did that. Did he hit it? He didn't hit it? Nigga, that shit was nice. He did that. God damn.